In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer database using Google Forms and Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a reliable system to collect customer details, keep them organized, and quickly visualize trends that matter. Start by opening Google Forms. You can choose a blank form to build from scratch or select the contact information template to save time. Give your form a clear title and a short description so people understand what you are collecting and why. A little context builds trust and improves response quality. Next, add your customer fields. For core contact details like name, phone number, and email, choose the short answer question type. For anything you want standardized, such as referral source like Google or social media and lead status, use drop-down or multiple choice. This prevents messy, inconsistent entries and makes your reports far more accurate. For open-ended feedback, add a paragraph question for notes or additional details. Keep your wording concise and consistent, so customers can move through quickly. To reduce typos, click the three-dot menu on a question and select Response Validation. Apply an email format rule to the email field and add basic constraints for phone number to help catch errors early. Then, toggle required on the must-have questions, typically name, email, and phone, so you never miss critical contact information. When your form looks good, connect it to a spreadsheet. Go to the Responses tab in Forms and click the green Sheets icon. Choose Create a new spreadsheet and name it something like Customer Database. Google Forms will automatically generate column headers that match your questions, and every new submission will populate a new row. If you prefer starting in Google Sheets, you can go to Tools and select Create a new form. This instantly links the two files. Before you share it, click the Preview eye icon and submit a test entry. Switch to the linked sheet and confirm your data appears immediately in the correct columns. In Google Sheets, go to View and use Freeze to lock the top header row, so labels stay visible as your list grows. As responses arrive, explore charts and sheets to visualize trends, like which referral sources bring the most leads or how demographics shift over time. If you want just one entry per customer, open Settings in Forms, go to Responses, and turn on Limit to one response. Finally, click Send to distribute your form by direct link, email, or by embedding it on your website. And that's it. You've built a clean, connected customer database with Google Forms and Google Sheets. Thanks for